What is good? It just rained and it's very nice outside. As you can see, look at that. We'll get some cool shots. It looks sick outside. Let's go.
It's light.
Sweep over here. Let's jump over. Ready? Well, I found a random longboard. Let's see how this rolls. Not bad. This ain't too shabby. Hey.
That's good. You don't have this fucking bitch. That's
Ooh. Steezy. There was more water before, but it's all gone. Look at this dude.
He done.
This kid's a whole Naruto fanboy.
Kisame.
Oh, dude, Steve's better than you. All right, if you get a better clip, then you're officially better. All right, let's go. Nice little view outside.
Dude, you're literally
Them arguing.
Shut up. It's so funny.
Right, I mean.
Ikatsuki.
Oh my gosh.
It never goes
Steve's
ever again.
asleep, And Max Mo. My man is sweeping the floor, trying to help out the
I am
community.
sweeping water. Water is so delicious.
Oh, look at Steezy Steve. That's his new name.
Timmy, should I put this back?
Yeah, sure.
You know, Timmy, for the outro, you know what you should do? As soon as you get one,
I like how my deck is still dried. You can see a little dry spot.
Let me hold it.
Water style. Water Dragon Jutsu. What's that?
It's African word for money.
How much is 200 naira in American money?
Like 500.
Alright, my audio wasn't working, but subscribe and boom.